Hello, my lovelies. Welcome to Quickie Pantry. I hope all of you are amazing and are safe and sound with your loved ones. I am Chaya Chauhan and today I am propagating you to eat a rainbow, meaning include many colors in your food. Why? Because each color in our food stands for a distinctive vitamin and minerals. And it's an easy way to complete your package of minerals and vitamins that your body needs to thrive by including many colors. What more? They help you in assisting in your weight loss, boost your immunity system, and we all know how critical that is. Improve your health, heart, and also give you a radiant skin. In short, you're living longer, looking very, very attractive. How amazing is that? Now, M&M's, gems, fried, colorful fries don't count, you wisecrack. So I think we can just hold that thought there, right? What we're going to be doing is we're going to be making a sabzi, a mixed veg sabzi, incorporating our wadis and seeing how each color has come together with its packet of vitamins and minerals to enhance our food with its colors. It not only looks beautiful, but it's also very, very tasty. Yeah. And all these colors are actually given to the fruits and the vegetables by a natural chemical called phytonutrient. And each phytonutrient brings along its very specific vitamins and minerals, which we're going to see while we make the food. It is also very important as to how we make it, and that's the reason I'm here. Let's get over to the kitchen.
It's yummy, it's sticky, it's Quickie Pantry.
To cook mixed vegetables, we take a mix of vegetables, obviously, and our wadis. Now, to highlight the colors, for yellow, I have chosen corn and yellow bell pepper. Orange is contributed by carrots and tomatoes here. Green from beans, peas, and capsicum. And white from cauliflower, garlic, and onions. I have also taken 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, jeera, 1 spoon of turmeric powder, haldi, 1 spoon of degi mirch for that dash of color, and salt, and of course 1 spoon of mustard oil. We make a puree of the tomatoes, grind the onions into a paste, and the balance veggies are diced into a not such a small size so that we can show off the colors. So we start by heating oil in a pan ready for our cumin seeds, followed by garlic and onion paste. We put in the wadis now to let them cook in that slight oil with the onions and garlic so that we don't need to fry them to cook the raw dal that they're made of. Then go in the tomato puree and the masalas. We add half glass of water before we put the cauliflower, as amongst the veggies chosen, cauliflower will take the longest to cook. So we ensure that the first vegetable is at par with the second being added. So it's just enough before the addition of the next vegetable. We may need to add half a glass of water at each stage, and we'll close the lid for letting cooking happen properly. So next will be the beans, corn, and the carrots. And the third stage is for peas and the bell peppers. Talking about health benefits, red protects the heart, reduces risk of developing hypertension and high cholesterol, and different types of cancers, and improves brain function. Blue and purple color prevent heart diseases, strokes, and cancer, very important for the memory and promote healthy aging. Also good for urinary tract health and digestion. Orange and yellow protect nervous system, eye and the skin health, boosts immunity system and builds stronger bones. Owing to the antioxidants which is present in them and is converted into vitamin A by our body. And it's also rich in folic acid and potassium. Green protects eye health, lowers risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, boosts immunity. Great source of folic acid, protects from cancer, regulates digestion, has vitamin A, K, calcium and essential minerals. White, yes, white, lowers level of bad cholesterol and high blood pressure, boosts immunity, minimizes risk of colon, prostate and breast cancer as well. It is rich in potassium, vitamin C and B2, folic acid and niacin. Please do make little goals for your week to include a bouquet of colors. Try sneaking in more colors into the food that you love already, maybe. If you don't eat many colorful foods already, I can get it. Cooking vibrant meals may take more time, which you are already used to. But I request not to let that dissuade you from eating healthier, please. Plus, it's a reminder to slow down and actually look and enjoy our food. Like, enjoy looking at your food that we are eating and we're putting into our tummy. Yes? Now that dish was really easy, right? No, not really. It required a lot of chopping and cleaning. I hear you, buddy. So that's why next what we're going to do is a very super fast, easy, really healthy and almost spiritual. Yes, healthy and spiritual dish next with our buddies. And I hope you did make note of the nutrients that each color imparts to our food, because just by including different colors, we've kind of assured that yes, we've got our package of the vitamins and the minerals that our body needs to thrive. I'm going to be catching you sooner than you think. So please do subscribe to Quicky Pantry and stay healthy, wise and really happy. Please take good care, all of you. See you, my darlings.